In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change interface colors in Asana. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to switch the look of your Asana workspace to your preference, making it more visually appealing and comfortable for your day-to-day use. Let's dive right in. To begin, start by heading over to your Asana workspace. Look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From there, locate and click on Settings. This is where we'll find all the customization options we need to alter the interface's colors. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Display tab. Clicking on this will bring up a selection of themes that can drastically alter how your Asana looks. Here, you get to choose between light mode and dark mode. Dark mode is perfect for those late-night work sessions when a bright screen can be a bit harsh on the eyes. If you prefer the brightness of the light mode, there's an additional feature that allows you to customize further. You can modify the sidebar and top bar colors to create a look that contrasts nicely, making these elements more visually distinct. This is particularly useful if you want to easily identify sections while navigating through tasks. But the customization doesn't stop there. Asana also allows you to play around with the colors on your Home tab, giving you the flexibility to personalize your workspace even more. Navigate over to the Home tab, which is the primary landing page when you start Asana. Once there, take a look at the top right corner for the Customize button. Clicking this button opens up a variety of color choices. You can browse through these options and pick a color scheme that speaks to you. Whether you want a soft pastel or something more vibrant, just select your desired color. Once you've made your choice, the interface will instantly update, giving you a fresh, personalized look. This ability to change colors can enhance your productivity by allowing you to create an environment that reflects your style and suits your needs, ensuring that every time you log into Asana, you're greeted by an inviting workspace. This small change might seem superficial, but it can have a significant impact on how you feel about diving into your tasks, helping you start off on the right note. And that's it! You've successfully customized the interface colors in Asana. I hope you found this guide helpful and are now enjoying your vibrant new workspace. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and have fun personalizing your Asana experience.